Blessings. This morning, 2 women killed and several others injured in Westmoreland. Also coming up, 12-year-old killed in Trelawny. So that's and more. But most importantly, remember that if you're new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus, click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all. So that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more. Beatitude intro. Soon forward. So I have some graphic content here, which is another chilling manifestation of Jamaica's chronic domestic violence problem that has affected many throughout its infestation. So a Senton woman could be seen getting medical treatment after her boyfriend allegedly threw a hedge cutter at her, causing it to be stuck in her lower back. He is now out on bail on a criminal charge, and the video is very graphic. So text me over on WhatsApp to see the video and also a picture of the incident. So while at the St. Anne's Bay Hospital, the doctors were trying to remove the cutter from her body, but it was well wedged in the flesh of the young lady. And I'm wondering if she will have spinal problems in time to come, because the way how it was rooted, to me, it was between some form of bones or something of grip. It was a challenge for the professionals, as in all hands on deck. Medical staff had to work twice as hard. They worked gingerly to remove the hedge cutter from the back of the young lady. And she is only 24 years old. She has since been discharged and is able to walk somewhat, but remains under medical treatment. And the man who is responsible for all of this is a 57-year-old grandfather. So be attentive.
You okay? Yeah? Mama? Don't finish, yeah?
And remember to WhatsApp me to see the raw video. Speculations are saying she did eat out the old man money and the man find out she use him. And if that's the case and he should damage her functionality in time to come, it would look hard for a sugar daddy, a man will almost live out all them days for cripple a little 24-year-old young girl. But at the same time, a sugar daddy them want with one intentions, see Boops there, go and name him out. So Boops retaliated and this is the end result. So leave a comment and make your opinion count down in the comment section. So over to the capital, and a dash cam caught 2 would-be robbers attempting to rob a taxi in Kingston while in traffic at the stoplight in the vicinity of Boulevard and Mullines Road. Be attentive. Now to a brief update on the Donna-Lee Donaldson's unsolved mystery. The police constable involved, Mr. Noel Maitland, was arrested by CTOC following the disappearance of his 24-year-old girlfriend, Donna-Lee. And Constable Maitland was arrested yesterday on Duke Street by members of the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch. Pay close attention.
As the investigation into the disappearance of Miss Donna-Lee Donaldson intensify, on Tuesday the 26th of July, a case review was held at the CIB headquarters between the hours of 4:30 and 10 p.m. A number of stakeholders were involved in that case review, such as the offices of the Director of Public Prosecution, Indicom, and police from different departments within the force. As a result of the case review, it was agreed that there was adequate evidence to link Constable Noel Maitland to the disappearance of Miss Donaldson. On Wednesday, the 27th of July, Constable Noel Maitland was arrested on Duke Street by police officers assigned to the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Division. He was placed in custody pending further investigation. At this time, I wish to point out that there is no evidence to link District Constable Simmet to the disappearance of Miss Donaldson. Further information will be made available in subsequent release.
And if you have reached this far, please I'm asking you to like the video. All I need in return is just a like on my videos. Down to the Wild Wild West, 2 women were killed and several others were injured after the bus they were traveling in went over a precipice in Seaford, Westmoreland yesterday morning, July 27. The deceased have not yet been identified. Head of the Westmoreland Police Division, Superintendent Wayne Joseph, said the crash occurred shortly after 6 a.m. He said investigations are ongoing to determine the cause of the crash.
Sometime after 6 this morning, a bus carrying about 25 passengers were traveling from Berkshire District towards Seaford Town. When on reaching a section of the road where there's a bend in the road and an incline, the driver lost control of the bus and it went over an embankment into a precipice. I can confirm at this time that 2 female passengers are dead. The other passengers were transported to the Cornwall Regional Hospital. We are currently checking on them to ascertain their condition. We are not sure at this time what actually caused the accident, whether it was mechanical difficulties or human error. But the investigation that will immediately follow will determine the cause of that accident.
Now, we're going to take a look at Trelawny. A 12-year-old boy was killed in a motor vehicle crash along the Hague Main Road in Falmouth, Trelawny yesterday, July 26. The child has not yet been identified. Head of the Trelawny Police, Deputy Superintendent Winston Milton, told the media that the crash involved 3 vehicles occurred shortly after 7 a.m.
The crash occurred about 7:10 a.m. this morning along the Hague Main Road. It involves 3 vehicles, a tractor-trailer, a Toyota Fielder, and a Honda-Fit motor car. Information that we have is that the driver of the tractor-trailer along with the driver of the Toyota Fielder were proceeding towards the direction of Duncan's along the Hague segment of the highway, whilst the Fit was traveling in the opposite direction. The Fielder was in the process of overtaking the truck when it got out of control, spun across into the lane of the oncoming vehicle, which collided on the left side. The 12-year-old boy was sitting in the left front seat. The driver of the hit, along with the passenger and driver of the Fielder, were all injured. The young boy was pronounced dead on arrival at the Falmouth General Hospital. The others were treated.
Now I have some valid updates on the Clarendon massacre. The funeral for the 5 family members who were found with their throat slashed at their house in Cocoa Peaks, Clarendon will be held on July 31 at the Stuart Hall Auditorium at Clarendon College. 31-year-old Kemesha Wright and her 4 children, 15-year-old Kimanda Smith, 12-year-old Shirley Smith, 5-year-old Raphael Smith, and 23-month-old Kishawn Henry Jr. were discovered in their house in the New Road community on June 21. The grave digging was on July 20 and the wake is what many called Nine Night, and that will be held tomorrow, July 29. So there you have it, and please do remember that if you're new to the channel and it is your first time over here, subscribe. Then click the notification bell, and while doing so select option all so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm, blessings and more beatitude. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.